How's it going? Little end of the week overview. Wait a little bit. See if some people join. Crazy week. Absolutely insane last 2 days. I should have guessed it. What was going to happen these last 2 days? Usually a squeeze out on any sector happens Thursday, Friday. New sectors start to run, and that's what happened. We got AI sector ran on Wednesday, Thursday-ish, and now we got the financial stocks running, and it all started with TOP. Top, I'll show you. So yesterday we just started squeezing out of nowhere. FSR, all these financial stocks, the big cap stocks just got crushed. All of them just got crushed. So now we got this yesterday starting to run. Squeezed up, went back, absolutely exploded out of that $10 range up to the 20s, and the rest was history. Moving to after hours, it squeezed past the 20s and into the 260s. It closed, which is absolutely insane. Coming into today, sold it off pre-market to open it up in the 50s. I was thinking about buying here. Don't know why I did not. Big mistake, because this thing ran to 260 again from the 50s. Pretty insane. Show you the rest of it here. That's where it's traded. Hey, no. Shh. This is where it's trading so far. Most insane move. Traders who have been trading for 40 years say this is the biggest intraday squeeze, the biggest run up they've ever seen in everyone's career. So short sellers are blowing up. Good luck if you're trying to short it. Good luck if you're trying to short MEGL, DXF, HUDI. Might as well try to long, if anything, because that's where the money's being made at this moment, and the Fed just started printing, so we got more print money to be working with here. I locked in on the day about $200, 180, 85. I'll show you my profit. It's just a wild time to be alive and to be looking at the market, because there's plays every single day to profit on. I made $200 from MEGL dip buying here in the morning, and I sold on this first little pop in the 40s. Didn't even make it to the 70s or the 80s. And then it squeezed out 50% to the high 560s. So I was in like $3,000 on this. I could have made at least 1,000 if I would have sold at the top, but I don't hold in hope, so I locked in profit. If I would have seen this, I would like to have gotten in on this dip, but it kind of faked out here. It broke below, but once it held here, clear sign to get in there and sell into here, into the highs. Would have been a nice solid profit. It's tough when they move these stocks pre-market and after hours like this. Doesn't really give much room to run intraday, which sucks. But HUDI here, HUDI, went from the 4s to the 10s. Another little pump up stock. I'm pretty sure it's financial stock related, but back in a while ago, there's been a lot of these, but they happen on no volume. is the thing. These people, the retail can't really get behind it that much. The retail can't really get behind it that much because it just halts every second, and then it takes 5 minutes or more to reopen. So you're waiting 5 minutes plus for something that is going to halt in seconds. So it's literally so tough to play these stocks like Top, like MEGL, like DXF, like HUDI that just halt and halt and halt and not get emotional. But there's always room for improvement, room to grow. And what stock I'm really watching here is the AI sector, the AI stock here. Just beaten down, right? So it looks like we're due for a bounce, and I'm following this stock here. GFAI is an AI stock, one of the leaders with AI, and just been getting crushed. It looks like it's due for a nice little bounce. We got a bounce every single time it got pumped up. Crushed, bounce, crushed. This really just crushed and died off, so I don't know what might happen here. But there was a little bounce here. I mean, there is a little bounce. There was a bounce here, really nice volume, but we just need some more volume here. I don't know if they're going to squeeze it one more time or let this happen. They might let this happen or squeeze it into the 20s again. So I'll be watching that. And then CXAI, they just squeezed it Thursday, Friday. So I just messed up on this one too. I was watching MEGL too much, watching Top go up too much, FOMOing out of that because I missed it. I missed a good opportunity, and I'm just here to document it and show everyone it. You know, everyone should see this type of stuff. Everyone should be learning from these type of moves, so in the future you can profit. I can't. Okay, I haven't seen Top before, but I can't tell you how many times I've seen a play like HUDI. Pickles, shh, shh. A play like HUDI, a play like MEGL happen intraday. The after hours and pre-market was a little interesting, but I've seen stocks like CXAI today, 10 to 17. I could have locked in 70%, you know? It's just things like that. I gotta start locking in and getting more aware of these intraday moves. Hey, that break pre-market highs. Keshi, chill. Let me show you my profit here. So my profit, don't get jealous now. Don't get jealous of my profit. All closed up, 0 shares, average cost 0, realized 185.75. MEGL. And my best sells were in 342s, 340s, which is right about here, not even 350s. So I bought and sold in the 340s, and it went to the 5.5s. You know, I locked in $200 on that little move. Would have made like 1,000 if I would have sold up into the 5s. But that would have been like a lot of my money, like 50% of my money. So I lock in 10, 20% every time, 5, 10, 20%. Depends. Obviously, it depends. Each play is different, so you gotta treat all these plays different. Not every play will get the same size, amount of money, same shares. Not every play is gonna be different, but they follow certain patterns, and history repeats. Stock patterns repeat. So this stuff will keep on happening in history. It's just, are you going to take advantage of it now? Start learning now, so the future bull markets, you'll be really taking advantage of it, or are you just going to not take advantage of it and sit around while other people do? It's really up to you. But DXF looks like it's gonna spike soon. It's coming down. So is top. So is MEGL. But I think this thing can have a bounce into the 6-7s, maybe close in the 7-8s. We got about an hour and 15 left in the market. I might scoop up some shares here. It's really choppy. Oh, it's fading more. I'm gonna scoop up some shares, I think. Yep, I entered. It's waiting to get filled. I'm waiting. My order's here, waiting to get filled. 2,000 at 3.8, and I'm filled. I'm down to 3.7. So I am in on DXF. We'll see how far it can drop. You know, I'll buy some more at 3.6 just to average down maybe a little bit, or in the 3s. I'll wait till the 3s because this thing could crater here or bounce pretty good. We'll see if it reclaims the 3.8s or the 4s. Right now we're heavy ask. The ask is heavy. It looks like it's thinning up a little bit. So this is what I look for. So this is the level 2, a little quick level 2 rundown. This side is the bid. This side is the ask. So you got 5,100, and you add a 0 to the end of these numbers, but a lot more on the selling side than the bid side. So that's not a good thing I like to see. But it flipped, so, and it's down to 70. So let's see if it holds 370s. Pretty big bidders, and they're getting bidded down. So I'm gonna add a little bit at 3.6, another 2,000 just in case it goes lower. Let's see. Let's see. Come on, film me, film me, film me. Film me, film me, film me. Come on. So 3.6s are about to get taken. Come on. Fill it. Yes. Come on, come on, take me out. Take me. Take me out. Oh, yes, I got filled. Okay. So, I'm in the stock where I want to be. Cash and pickle. Shh. So, hey, pickles. Shh. So this is actually not that good of a... Shh. That was not that good of a buy. Pickles. Shh. So it's bouncing now, 3.6s. We're getting a bounce here. Pretty good one too. Good volume. So I have a choice. I could either sell for break even, hold, see if it wins, or hold and see if I lose. I think we're gonna squeeze out into the end of the day, so I'm just gonna hold on. I might, so we're getting a little bounce here. I bought in this little dip, bought in that dip there, and we're bouncing here. See how far we bounce up? If we bounce at all here. 3.6s, we're bouncing still, okay. 3.6s, come on. Yep. Oh, come on. So it's just a waiting game now. Yeah, I'm just waiting here. And I threw some more in at 35. I realize I don't have as much size as I probably should. I don't really have much size, so I might as well just throw a little more on. It's a huge dip, and we're getting some volume, so I think a bounce is coming. If it fades down pretty fast here, I'm gonna get out on the next little bounce. So either way, I'm getting out on a bounce here soon. If it's a good bounce, I might hold longer. But I have some more in at 35 just got filled. So 35, 34s, damn. 33s are printing. So I got some more. Or did I? No, I didn't. I'm trying to get 10,000 shares. I have 8,000 now on this little dip buyer. My average is 36. It's at 35 right now, so we're doing good. Okay, I'll show you the chart here some more. So it's the top one we're focusing in on, DXF. It's the one I'm longing right now. I'm waiting for a little green candle bounce, and our average is about right there. So we just need a little bounce, honestly. And it's accumulating pretty good down here in the threes. Expecting a little pop like before. We'll see if history can repeat itself, or if it does not. But it's a slow go. This is the market here. This is how I play stocks. 101, stock market 101. This is just a slow grind down. I'd love to see it kind of just spike already. I might get out because it looks like it's about to just flush out and then pop back. It might flush some people out below 35 into the 34s and then pop back on us. But we're just watching. We are just watching here. I kind of want to show you guys this bounce that's coming here, which will happen. There we go. Getting a little bounce now. So a little bounce starting to happen. 36s. So now we're starting to make money. See? 35s. Oh, big offer on the ask. I'm just going to size down a little bit on this one here. Just got a little bit too much of size on us here. Dang, we're getting a huge bid. Huge bid. Wow. So I just sold for 40 bucks profit. Size down a little bit to my average size. I was double size, but now it's in the 70s. So 3.6 average, and it's in the 70s. So we're up 50 bucks more. I might lock in another 2,000 shares at 38. You know, just how we do it. Come on, fill me, fill me. So I got filled, 90 bucks profit. Got 2,000 more. It's gonna be a plus $100 trade. I'm selling out here, big bids, and I'm out. So 140 $140 profit there on this little bounce. See, guys, that little bounce. I probably should hold small size, but yeah, I just sold out on the highs there. It's in the 9s now. I sold in the 85s, so 3 9s are bidding, but they got rejected. So good little sell, I would say. $140 profit. I'll show you. So I just was up about $200, $180 on the day. Now I'm up $325. So locked in a grand total of 140 on DXF. Just played DXF. It's now in the 4s. Could have made a little bit more, probably $50 more. But locked in profit, guys. 10% on that one. About 5-10%, 8% probably. Yeah, DXF bought in the 3s, low 3s, sold in the high 3s, almost 4s. And it's in the 4-1s now. Still bouncing more. So missed out on profit. This is how easy this market is, but you really have to be aware and play with caution, because if it would have went against me, you got to cut losses quickly and reserve that profit that was made. So DXF 140, 185 plus 185 equals the grand total. I'll show you here of account here. Obviously everything's live. $325.75. So not too bad. Not too bad for a day's work. Always lock in gains and have a good weekend. Make sure you stay safe on the roads out there. If you're out late, you know what I mean. Enjoy the sun. Starting to get sunny out, sun shining. So yeah, have a good weekend.